What is KfW and how can it help me buy a home? Hey there, and welcome back to Hypofriend, your favorite channel dedicated to helping you buy or do. My name is Christopher, and today we will be talking about the key programs of KfW, what they are and what are they good for. What is KfW? KfW, or Kreditanstalt für Wiederaufbau, is a state-owned development bank. Part of its mission is to support domestic development. It supports residents with buying or building residential properties in Germany. The KfW subsidies are loans and grants that are usually cheaper than normal mortgages. A major advantage of KfW mortgages is that can not only be combined with regular mortgages, but also with other KfW programs. This means you can combine programs and benefit multiple times from the same property. KfW offers, of course, a lot of different programs depending on the situation. What we will focus on in this video will be the two main programs that you can apply for when you buy a personal property. Let's start with the KfW program number 124. The so-called Homeownership program, or in German Wohneigentumsprogramm. This program is dedicated to people who are buying or building a home and plan to live in the property themselves. This also means it does not work for investment properties that are already tenanted unless the tenant already declared that they will move out in the next couple of months. In case of an existing property, this mortgage can be used to cover purchase price, but also costs for modernization or general repairs. In case of a new build property, it can be used to cover costs for the plot of land, construction costs, but also costs for energy expert. Regarding the current conditions of this program, important is, at the moment, the KfW program is up to 100,000 euros that you can apply for. And important is, these 100,000 euros can be fixed for a maximum of 10 years and have to be repaid in a total of less than 35 years. As for the cons for this program, as already mentioned, it does not work for properties that have the purpose of being used as an investment property, because one of the major requirements is that within the first 12 months after the purchase, you have to register in the property yourself. On top of that, another factor to consider is this program has pretty fixed terms. That also means that you don't have any of the flexibility options that sometimes count for regular mortgage, such as lump sum payments per year, or being able to change the repayment rate during interest rate fixation. Next up is the KfW program number 300, Program für Wohneigentum für Familien. This program is dedicated for families who want to build or buy a property that reaches certain energy efficiency levels. So they build a property that is called climate friendly. By climate friendly, we mean that it reaches an energy efficiency class of KfW 40 or better for the house. Secondly, it has to meet the greenhouse gas emission requirements of the quality seal for sustainable buildings. And lastly, the building can't be heated by oil, gas, or biomass. On top of that, there's also the KfW program 300 with so-called QNG, meaning an additional subdivision for even higher energy efficiency requirements and even higher sustainability requirements, meaning the QNG program allows you to apply for even higher loan amount. Who does it work for? Both the KfW 300 and the 300 QNG is for families or single parents who want to buy or build a home. Important requirement is that if you have one child, the maximum household income can be up to 90,000 euros per year, or it increases by 10,000 euros per additional child. As for the conditions, the difference between the KfW 300 and the 300 QNG is that the KfW 300 enables you to apply for a loan amount of somewhere between 170,000 euros up to 220,000 euros, depending on how many children you have. The KfW program 300 QNG enables you to apply for the loan amount 220,000 euros up to 270,000 euros, depending on the number of children that you have. The loan amount for the KfW mortgages always has to be fully repaid within a period of up to 35 years, and the interest rate fixation can be fixed for a maximum of 10 years. As for the cons for this program, as already mentioned for the other KfW program, these programs are always fixed, so there are no flexibility options like extra payment or changeability of the monthly rate. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider giving a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for future videos. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next video.